Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine at home. Welcome to EVS online classes. Today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson number 5, plants around us. Do you like plants? Yes. What about flowers? Of course, we all like flowers, right? Now let's have a look at a beautiful garden on the screen. Okay. How is this? Very beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Now tell me the name of the following flowers. Which flower is this? Yes, hibiscus. This is chrysanthemum. Rose, firecracker, jasmine, tulsi, daisy, and sunflower. Good. Text reading page number 39. Salima likes flowering plants. She grows different flowering plants in her house backyard. She waters them regularly. She takes care of plants and prevents others from plucking the leaves and branches. Salima adopted a few plants at her school. She looks after them carefully and waters them regularly. She visits the school even during holidays to water the plants. One day, Akhila, Virat, and Gopi visited Salima's house to see the flowers. All of them went to backyard, saw some flowers. Which flowers are these? Yes, rose, marigold, bougainvillea, chrysanthemum, and jasmine. Let us move to the next picture. Not only flowering plants, but also vegetables and fruits are grown at Salima's house. Let's see the following pictures. Pomegranate, bitter gourd, pumpkin, guava, gourd, cucumber, mango, and sapota. Good. Let us see the table given below. Find out the details of the plants that are grown in the houses of your friends. Fill in the table with the particulars. First heading is name of the friend. Second heading is names of the plants they have grown. First name is Anu. Plants have grown. Jasmine, mango tree. Next, Santosh, sapota, coconut tree. Next, Revant, sunflower, cabbage. Next, Anil, guava, rose, tulasi. Next, Sudha, blackberry, marigold. Next, Salima, hibiscus and pineapple. Text reading page number 41. Generally, different plants are grown in the open courtyard of the house. Some people don't have open space in front or behind of their houses. How do such people grow plants? What kind of plants do they grow? Children, generally people grow plants in the open courtyard of the house. What about people who don't have open space in front or behind of their house? Where do they grow plants and what kind of plants do they grow? Generally, these people grow plants on their terrace. There, they grow plants like tomato, mint, coriander, pea plant, etc. Let us read the next paragraph. Akhila and Salima went outside to play. All the children were playing under the banyan tree. The trees like tamarind, neem are also there along with the banyan tree. Akhila and Salima played there along with the children. What are the uses of trees? We will see about the uses of plants in the next topic. Okay. Children, look at the screen. What is this? Yes, this is a beautiful scenery, right? There are different types of plants. Yes. Children, observe clearly and tell me, all plants are same in height? No. Some are very tall, some are medium, and some are very small, right? So children, plants are classified into different types based on their sizes and also their stem type. When we look around, we can see plants in different shape and size. Let's see different types of plants. First one, trees. Trees are tall and strong plants that live for many years. Example, banyan tree, mango tree, etc. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are small in size which has woody stem growing close to the ground. Example, rose, hibiscus, etc. Some plants are even smaller than the shrubs and have soft stems. Such plants are called herbs. Example, coriander, mint, etc. Next, climbers and creepers. The plants which have very weak stem and cannot stand straight are called climbers and creepers. Example, grapevine, bitter gourd, etc. Let us see the topic, do all trees look alike? Text reading, page number 41. Akhila and Salima observe the leaves, branches and stems of various plants in the garden. Some were big in size and some were small. Some plants had smaller leaves while others had longer and broader leaves. Which trees among them have smaller leaves and which have bigger leaves? Name the trees that are large and give us shade. Akhila saw a tall palm tree on the roadside and exclaimed, "How tall is the tree?" Children, let us see the pictures of some trees. Okay, this is coconut tree. Its leaves are longer and broader. This is tamarind tree. Its leaves are very small. Now, banyan tree and mango tree. They are large and give us shade. Next, palm tree. It is very tall and no branches. Yes. Text reading, page number 41, last paragraph. Different types of plants and trees grow around us. Are they all of the same height? Some of these are shorter than you. Some are up to your height and some are taller than you. Identify such plants or trees in your surroundings and write in the table. Okay. First heading is, children, already we have seen that different types of plants and trees around us, like trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now, shall we fill up the table given below? First heading is plants that are shorter than you. Mint, coriander, daisy, grass and lily. Next, plants that grow about ear height. Jasmine, rose, pomegranate, sunflower and crepe jasmine. Next, plants that are taller than you. Mango tree, neem tree, lemon, custard apple, apple tree, etc. Right? Text reading, page number 42. Trees such as banyan, tamarind, neem, mango, etc. are big in size with many branches. They give us shade. That is why these are grown along the side of the roads. A few of these leaves, flowers and fruits are useful to us. We get wood from trees. Many things are made by wood. Palm tree grows tall without branches. The leaves of the palm trees are used as roofs for huts. Children, now let's see the uses of plants. First one, trees give us flowers and fruits. Next, we get wood from trees. Then trees give us shade. Next, we can make furniture from wood. Next, we get medicines from plants. Then some leaves are used for decorating our house. Let's move to the next topic. Why should we grow trees? Text reading. There is a mango tree in Akhila's garden. Do you know the uses of mango tree? Pickles are prepared with mangoes. Pickles are prepared with mangoes. We get mangoes People decorate their houses with the leaves of mango trees during festivals. They tie swings to its branches and enjoy. Now let's see the following pictures and its uses. Coconut tree. Children, shall we see the uses of coconut tree and neem tree? Good. Coconut tree. Coconut flesh and milk we use in our food. Coconut water is a healthy drink. Coconut oil is used for cooking and we apply it on skin and hair. The sticks are used for making broom. Leaves are used for roof. Now, neem tree. Neem leaves are used as medicines for wound, dandruff, eye problems, etc. Neem flowers can be used to treat nausea. Neem twigs can be used as toothbrush. It fights against germs. Neem oil is used to make soap, cosmetics, hand wash, etc. Right? Let's see the next heading. Let we grow trees. Trees give us cool breeze with green leaves. They look beautiful with green leaves and flowers of different colors. You might have played in the green grass when you have visited a park or cultivation field. In the village, during summer, people will take shelter under the trees to protect themselves from hot sun. Children play different types of games in the shade of trees. Have you ever played like this? Have you ever enjoyed like this? Don't you think we have to protect the trees which give us so much pleasure? We should also take part in growing trees in schools, in the premises of our houses, on the sides of the roads, on the banks of the fields, and also take responsibility of protecting them. Children, we know that trees are very important, so we have to protect them. Children, our next topic is the trees that do not grow around us. Test reading page number 43. We eat different fruits. Some of these trees grow in our area, whereas the other fruits bearing trees may not grow in our area. Akhila likes to eat apples, but she has never seen apple tree. Write down the names of the fruit-bearing trees you have never seen. The fruit-bearing trees you have never seen are apple, strawberry, cherry, dragon fruit, kiwi, peach, plum, apricot, pear, fig, etc. Okay. Shall we move to the next topic? Water plants, desert plants. Test reading page number 44. Salima and Akhila went along with their friends to the farm. They saw lotus in the nearby pond. Fisherman Somaya told them about lotus. On the way home, Akhila stopped by a plant. She said, "Look at this plant, how funny it looks. It has no leaves, but there are so many thorns." What plant is this? What might Salima have replied? Guess. Yes, it is a cactus plant. Observe the pictures given below. Do you know about them and where do they grow? Where do they grow? Yes, they grow in water. That is why they are called water plants. Good. Look at the next pictures. Children, do you know the names of these plants? Yes. First one is aloe vera and the second one is cactus. Text reading page number 44, last paragraph. The plants like water lily and lotus grow in water. They are called water plants. Cactus and aloe vera grow in sandy soils and places with less water. These are called desert plants. Children, we know what are water plants. Yes? Did you hear about desert plants? Good. Cactus and aloe vera grow in sandy soils and places with less water. These are called desert plants. Okay? Children, let us wind up today. We will meet in the next class. Goodbye. Take care. Have a fantastic day. Thank you.